Welcome to the Windup Project. I'm Marla Mogul. I've been collecting Windup toys for over 30 years. I have over 1,000 toys in my collection, and my mission is to share the joy, the fun, the laughter that I get from these toys with the rest of the world. If you're looking to have some fun, please subscribe to my channel. This is a very special video today because it's from one of my most loyal subscribers, Avi, who is 4 years old, and she specifically asked for a outer space video. So today we're featuring outer space. I have 3 toys that are very similar. These are made by the company Rocket USA. I think these are UFOs. However, the company Rocket USA also made a line of these that had animal faces on them. So spaceship, UFO, are those the same things? I consider these are UFOs. And let's look at each one because other than the shape and the material, they have different graphics on them. This first one looks like an alien. You could see the antenna, and then on the back it looks like he's got 2 engines on there. So he looks like he's ready to take off. Let's see what happens when we wind these guys up, because they are fun. I love how these spin around, and I don't know if you could see this, but the key is really big. And the key almost touches the table when it goes around. And it actually says on here, Rocket USA Big Key. So I don't know if that is a big key collection, but it's kind of cute. This UFO actually has an astronaut in it. A very happy astronaut. On the back, you could see his space pack back there. And I believe this UFO does the same spinny. Very, very cool. The next one is definitely an alien, a green alien. And there's a face on the front of that UFO. On the back, a bunch of wires, technical things. Let's see the alien go round and round. This astronaut is really cool because it was part of the Carl Jr.'s kids' meals. What Carl's Jr. did was they actually made a series of toys for their kids' meals so they could educate young children about space. I think that's a great way to teach kids by showing them these little toys. Next is a space shuttle. And it's an American space shuttle, and the way I can tell that is by the American flag on the wing. And it has 3 engines on the back, a smiley face on the front, and the great thing about this toy is the cabin actually opens and closes, and an astronaut pops in and out as the cabin opens, and then it goes back down as the cabin closes. This is a Tomy toy from their Flip Floppers collection. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed these cute little toys. And if you like what you saw here today, please subscribe to my channel and keep smiling. Thank you, Avi.